Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce you to yet another insane generative AI tool which is called as Scriptit. Scriptit revolves around scripting, or in very simple words what happens is that you can integrate workflows in your organizations into a no code framework and it will generate everything which you need, which is primarily a workflow. So for example, if you have some Google Sheets where you have data and your current process is that you pick up the topics from that Google Sheet and then you write an article on each and every topic and then send it as an email to your users. For example, maybe it's a marketing email or something like that. Now, with the help of generative AI, all you can do, you can simply automate this. So this scripted tool will pick up that data from your sheets. It will generate the articles by itself, so you don't need any content writers. And then after writing the articles tailored to your organization's data and your theme, it will also send the emails to all of your users, and that's it. And you can automate it. It will keep sending it every day or whatever your frequency is. And then there are thousands of other use cases which you can use. This tool is currently being used by a lot of companies. As you can see, one of the company I immediately recognize is Telstra, which is a major telecom company here in Australia. I have no affiliation, by the way. But having said that, there are a lot of use cases. For example, you can see that healthcare, education, marketing, and legal, lot of things you can do with it. Now, uh, I will drop the link to this in video's description so that you can read further. You can start your free trial, and there is a huge demand for the free trial, it seems, for Script AI. So you might have to log in and create an account with your corporate account, because if you join it with your email, then it might not free email. I mean, then it might not really work. Even I tried it out just now, and I don't have any credit. So I logged in there, by the way, thankfully, and when I go to the scripts on the left hand side and click on this plus sign, it doesn't do anything. So it seems I don't have any credit, or maybe something else is going on. Anyway, but let me show you some of the sample scripts. So if you click on the sample script on the left hand side, it is going to load lot of examples. For example, look at this. You can automate Gmail to SMS. So let me open it, click on try it. Okay, so there you go. So it has loaded it. So what is happening here is scripted works in terms of cell. So this whole thing is called a script, and these boxes on the top section, these are the cells. Each cell performs a task in the workflow, and we can connect these workflows with each other. Now if you click on get email, then it is going to show you how to get the email. But this is some sorry, it just took me to the another screen. Just wait for it to reload. I'm not sure whether it's a UI UX issue, or is it some issue with the website, or is it just a load on the website at the moment. I had to reload it so that it would appear again. So as you can see, it is here. Anyway, so this is what we do. We normally click here on the cell. So the task is Gmail. You can select any other task like Doc QA, Epic, and then there are heaps of tasks which you can do. You can import data, you can text to speech, text AI, and lot of other things you can do with it. So it depends upon your task, and I'm more than sure they will keep increasing it. And I'm also sure there will be a way of customizing it with your own custom script. Anyway, or custom data source. So Gmail, so it has pulled out all the Gmails or emails from your Gmail account, and then in the next step, it is sending the email. Now, you have also used a query here, so we are telling it, okay, just get the emails I received today, and we have also given it a time zone. And then when you click on send SMS, hopefully, okay, so there you go. It has just disappeared for some reason. Okay, let me open it again. I tried it few times, doesn't work. When you click on it, it just simply disappears. I have also even changed the browser, but same effect anyway. Um, but we got the idea that you just have cells. Every cell performs a task, and then you orchestrate them and you can either run all of them at the bottom middle, or you can run them singularly, run per row, or just go hover on the cell and you can run only that cell and it will do the job. So let me click here and you can see that it is saying cell is running. Okay, because I haven't connected that to my Gmail, that is why it is not working, but you get the idea. Now they have three modes like script, flow and app. You can go into the script mode by doing this, or you can select from here, and then this is a Gmail one, or you can go with the flow one which we already saw, and then we have the app one, and they recommend to use the flow one because it's the most intuitive and easiest to follow. Similarly, you can of course one more thing, on the right hand side there is a data mode within the flow one, and there is an execution mode which defines the execution flow, as you can see here. And there are heaps of other workflows which you can check, and maybe your use case would be here. All you need to do is to change the credentials and stuff, and you should be able to use it easily. For example, if we look at this data ops API, let's see if it let me open it. So I've been trying and it is not opening yet. So it is just hovering here, and then you see that it just becomes blue again. Anyway, I'm not trying it out again. um, so I think the tool is good, the idea is great, and really insane sort of thing, but hopefully there should be maybe they were not expecting this much popularity, so I think they need to scale their tool. So far so good, but this is the future of work. This is how things are going to evolve, and this is going to impact a lot of jobs out there. So time to upskill, time to upgrade, time to reinvent. Don't get too scared. I think this should be an enabler. We have to, if we doing any stuff which can be put uh, into this workflow, I think we should make use of this tool instead of waiting it to get replaced by it. So that's it guys, let me know your thoughts, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.